You better love me again. You better love me again.
Welcome tourist, we speak English. Wow, that English will give me cancer.
Feel the rain crashing down.
A stupid 7 years old me trying to fill a bucket faster.
I'm searching for the lost.
Bro, if you could recommend me a book, what would you recommend? Oxford English Dictionary.
Keep moving like the sky.
Bro goes on top of a cliff, screams I love you. Wait for the echo. I have a boyfriend.
Flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will.
Dad rocks, but mom rules.
You were the one for me. That's why
When three brothers are businessmen and one is an engineer.
I held you close by the storm.
The real Iron Man.
You meant the world to me. I used to kiss
Massive respect and salute to these geniuses. At 2 am, hey teacher, can you repeat what you taught today in class? Wow, was it that interesting? No, I just can't fall asleep. A man was caught watching the real world. First day at gym, hell yeah, and next day. I am still wondering where to buy this one. Breathtaking views of Milky Way seen from Mars. This is why we should respect our elders. When we throw a ball in the air, why does it come down? Newton. Because there is nobody in the air to catch that ball.
when I'm in pain. You hide and disappear.
When you spend your all money on the car.
The atmosphere charting the stride.
My best friend in exams be like, study the table below before answering the questions.
Catching near in hopes you change.
Man sleep in sofa, legends sleep in class, and ultra legends sleep in examination hall.
It so, and now I'm chasing the
Hey, I have a boyfriend. Wait, let me send the screenshot of this message to your dad.
laugh at you when you laugh at me.
The difference between dating and marriage.
Because I believe the home was just you.
What I planned and what happened. Story of my life.
You were the one for me.
When someone tells me a joke when I am drinking water. Look at that man. When everyone are busy fighting, he is posing for the photo. Hit like if you can see it. Slap her like this, not like this. Send me your pic without clothes. See. Years of meditation wasted. When you are about to start your Chetak scooter and some says statue. WWE when I am watching alone and WWE when my parents walk in. This is dog and this is human. What the fuck is this?